Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm fine too. So today we're going to review Unit 6. Okay, so we're going to start. Okay, guys, so we are going to start reviewing vocabulary. Okay, so we're going to start with farm animals. Look, what's this? Perfect. It's a dog. It's a dog. Very good. Now, what's this? Good. It's a cow. It's a cow. Very good. And what about this? What do you think? Perfect. It's a chick. It's a chick. Good, guys. Okay, guys, so next step, we're going to listen to a song, so you have to sing and dance. Okay? Come on.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, guys, so this is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day and be happy. See you tomorrow.